What up, YouTube? It's your boy Dexter. We back at it again with another video, mi gente. So aquí andamos, mira. So we're about to make a fucking little video. So we're right here. So anyways, mi gente. So aquí vamos con la plebada, mi raza. We're right here. We're about to make a little video. So we're posting up with the homies right now. We're with the squad. So aquí van unos compas. Y aquí atrás vienen los otros plebadas. Mira, no sé si lo pueden ver. So here we go, gente. So we're gonna go to the spot. We'll see you guys in a bit. So here we are, mi gente. Ya llegamos al spot. We're in location. Here's a homie. El otro compa con su mamalona. La mamalona de Dexter. Ahí está el homie Slur. La pinche desnalgada.
Fucking Dexter's over here driving and recording.
Big shout out. Shut the fuck up, bitch. I was waiting for all you slow ass motherfuckers. Yeah, the homie Major Dogs. You already know where we at. Big shout out to the homie Major Dogs. Right there, my boy. Right there. Shoosh. I'll get the hot dogs. So right now we can't post up with the homies. That's where we're gonna be at for a little bit. So we're gonna post up here for a bit. Continuar con los compas un ratito. Porque de ahí we gotta go do some little stuff right now. So, que se hace ahorita.
I put that nigga Dexter 3 on it.
Hating ass for right here.
You know what I'm saying?
No,
Hey,
I'm saying?
cut.
Y el Junior. Mira, mira. La que...
We put new ones on.
Not though.
They put these spark plug wires.
Yeah, fool, because we went to do the plugs yesterday and we fucking pulled out
Right
a wire
there.
and it
Check that
breaks.
shit out. Check that shit
Well,
out.
did you put it back on?
No, we fucking bought new wires.
Oh, you brought it? You fucking finally brought that shit?
You broke it though.
No, I didn't, fool.
Shit out of luck, man. You don't necessarily need them. You do need them, fool. It's gonna burn down right there. Fool, I don't have.
That shit sick, fool. That
I
shit
don't
got a
have my
stabilizer
shit
and all that
on
shit.
I beat the fuck out of my truck.
That's what I want to buy, though. That's like $100 the one I want to get. That's just pretty fucking badass.
Oh shit, the hot dogs.
The Major Dogs.
They're OEM, fool. They
Who got his shit?
One.
Dick, yeah, what a dick, huh? Your boy's a dick, bro. Try it again. Start it. I'll do it, fool. Unless you know how to get the fucking harness and who's gonna install it, do it.
My harness and everything on the back, look at the here.
Oh yeah, the ECU is in the back of the seat.
Look.
That's just good.
That is a good one.
Sick ass fool.
Got smoke detectors right here.
Ain't got smoke detector just in case.
It's just a regular, you know. What on wood? Oh yeah, it is cool.
Just fucking clean, fool.
Well, it's a Mexico fucking paint job. What do you fucking think?
It is. Yeah.
This fool. Outside. Finally, this fool goes outside.
What up?
Finally, fool. He's recording the whole conversation. Fuck. No, this fool. For real, working their asses off right now, real quick. They're gonna do who's gonna rap it?
Yo, Trazo, boy.
For real? This was fucking grand that shit to fucking metal. What's up? Quedamos con la plebada, mi gente, güey. Just chilling enough a little bit. La malona del homie. Big shout out to the homie Pete. This caca. Ya viene el press. Con los new Rams. Con los stamps. No limit.
Hey, don't I decide my son gets it or not?
Look, this is Pete.
Don't I decide my son gets it or not?
Did you give him permission, fool?
He gave my permission.
Sick ass fool. He's, oh, ¿ya van a pelear?
Everybody says a man.
Damn.
Yo soy tu papá.
Tell him who. Hey, be honest. Who do you? Who's gonna claim you, fool?
You got 2 of them?
Who do you belong to?
One for the front, one for the back. What the fuck?
See, he's a real one, fool. What's up with you?
Where's the truck at? One for the front, one for the back. Oh, you there? Where's mine? Does it fit my truck? Give it a P, because P needs one.
Get my shit, bitch.
Timberlake.
It is.
That's
That's what this fool said.
Here's the Timberlake.
This is purple. You see, well,
Should be. Yeah, that's purple one.
Hey,
Truck right here.
Daniel. There ain't enough food. We'll have a bubble, right? Just there you know. That's the club thing, fool. You have a mandatory bubble, fool. Or you're not from the club.
purple. It's purple.
Angel, make sure you had a bubble.
There you go.
Angel, you make sure you had a bubble.
Now I gotta work on my fucking lights
One
again.
that came out good.
Ooh,
Yeah, huh? Why though?
Dexter's?
Nah, this fools.
Oh, you're not from the club?
No fucking bubbles, no.
You're not from the club, fool.
If ain't got no bubbles.
I didn't put it on. It doesn't fit. The XL doesn't fit.
I'm gonna just put it on the windshield then.
That's what I'm saying. Put the XL on this one. Oh, mine way.
I don't know, Pete.
Oh,
Pete
look
is
at the
trying to
one.
get his stand. Pete, he gets his
Oh,
stand.
literally, look at me.
I know. Pete is
You gonna put the XL?
It would look hard on my shit, but I don't want it red.
Oh, okay.
Come on, blood.
I ain't know.
Let's take out Dexter's thing.
Who has a fucking little thing to scrape it off?
I have a razor.
Oh, there you go. Hey, football, I don't want no fucking bubbles on my shit. Hold on.
And none of us are black. What's up there?
10 years later.
Yeah, here chilling. Quedamos con todos los compas, mi gente. So right now we fucking heading to meet right now. We're gonna go to little meet. Fucking day after. Sheesh. So fuga, mi raza. So here we go. So we're heading out with the plebes. So right now what we're gonna do, mi raza, we're gonna hit up a meet. Vamos a hacer un truck meet real quick. Well, car meet, truck meet. Algo así, algo chidillo. But hopefully, ojalá y se ponga chidito. Everything hopefully gets pretty sick. So we can record and get some videos, you know, para que podamos grabar ahí chingón. Pero pues, vámonos de mientras. So I'm gonna record a little bit manejando, pero no quiero grabar mucho porque está cabrón. I'll see you guys when we get there. Sheesh. Sheesh. So now the homie got this fucking new truck right here real quick. Yeah? Sheesh. Watch out, bitches. Sheesh. That's the homie's truck now. Sick ass baton.
I don't fucking know this.
So, senor, what do you think? Catching up, huh? When are you gonna tune your shit, fool? You gotta take your shit and get tuned. Gotta swap it first. You gotta swap everything with that truck. My truck is, fool. I'm about to take my shit to Foreman, fool.
What's done to it?
Just the intake. Hey, bitch. Corman, fool.
I can't get the school back to work. So this is it from the front, man. I can go, man. And I'm gonna pull it back to tell me where to stop with.
Don't tell me to do it, cause
Just leave it.
Just leave your truck. Sick as shit. Fucking high now. Sheesh. Oh! Here goes Kevin. Pop it, Kevin. Pop it. doing? How you doing? Sick ass food. Ah, what you doing? What you doing? Sick ass food. No, no, I wish. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it.
He's gonna do it. I already know.
You know, women don't like to be nobody.
There you go.
All right, sexy girl.
Hey, hurry up, fool.
Well, for what?
We're gonna go eat.
Yeah, I'll catch you guys big. I'm gonna see everybody leave. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby. All right, sexy girl. Swing it, swing it, swing it, swing it. Pueden ver, mi gente, nos cayó la chota. Se está poniendo bueno el puto desmadre, nos cayó la pinche chota. No mames. Pues ni pedo, mi raza. Aquí acabó el video, a la verga. Porque ahí está la chota. We gotta checar porque si no nos va a cargar la chota, la verga también a nosotros. So, vámonos, mi raza. I wish I could stay a little bit longer. I mean, I want to stay a little bit longer. But a ver, vamos a quedarnos un poquito más a la verga. No hay nada que perder. Chingue a su madre. So, Richie! What, baby girl? Cuando pueden ver, gente, este helicóptero nos llegó, mi raza. So, hagamos todos de salida, mi gente. Yeah, we're already heading out. Ahí va la plebada, hay un compa que me esperó. Por ahí van todos los demás, mi gente, porque no sé si pueden ver allá. Allá lejos está la policía. Pues nos corrieron. So now I think, if I'm not mistaken, at this point we're gonna look for a second spot. Ahora buscar otro location y a ver qué rollo. A ver si le quedamos al second location. So en el second location lo que vamos a ir a hacer, vamos a ir a grabar. A ver si es que le vamos. Si no, pues para la casa, mi gente, straight up. Vamos a ver qué rollo. Ahí está el pinche compa Gallo. Big shout out to el compa Gallo. Sheesh. Well, that's it, mi gente. Ahí quedó. Ahí nomás quedó el video. We're done recording for today. That's it for the video. Mi gente, ya estamos yendo para la casa. Ya vamos a llegar a la Cantona. We're almost home. So we're going home. We're gonna eat something real quick. Y a descansar, mi raza. Porque pues ahí nomás quedó. And once again, thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for supporting me. For everything that I've done. For, everything. Thank you guys for everything. And hasta la sabe, mi gente. Les agradezco a toda la gente que ha visto mis videos. Toda la gente que me ha apoyado. Gracias a todos, mi raza. So, ahí quedó, mi gente. Thank you guys for watching. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Shoo!